What up, guys? So in today's video we're gonna talk about how to make your abs thicker, right? Not how to get them more defined. We're gonna talk about how to make your abs bigger and really pop out, right? So that means even when you're at a higher body fat, right, your abs are still gonna be visible because they are in sense not more defined and cut, but they are thicker. You know, the muscle is basically bigger, right? So it portrays more. You know, your abs pop out. And how you achieve that is a lot different than how you achieve the cuts and the intense definition, right? For the intense definition and the cuts, you have to do a lot of high rep ab movements, right? That builds, you know, the definition and the cuts. But to build the thickness, you have to train your abs just like any other muscle, right? Just like you train the bicep or the tricep, right? You gotta train it with heavy weight, the right rep range, so it can grow just like any other muscle, right? You gotta treat it like when you bodybuild, right? So this is what you do. You either choose exercises that are, you know, very hard, that you can only do about 6 to maybe 10 reps at the most, right? So you basically do your set to failure, and you should fail at about 6 to about 10 reps. That's a good rep range. Now, if you do an exercise that you can do, you know, 20, 30 reps, try adding weight to it, right? Get a plate with, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 pounds and do reps with that, right? And try to hit failure between 6 to 10. So that's how you do a weighted ab routine, right? Pick about 2 to 4 exercises, hit failure at about 6 to 10 reps, and repeat for about 4 to 5 sets, right? So what I recommend, what I like, you could do weighted crunches, right? You could do weighted Russian twists, and you can even superset those two. So you do crunches, then without rest, you go straight into Russian twists with a weight, right? Basically, you choose a 10 or 20 pound weight and do it, man. Repeat that for about 4 to 5 sets. Another exercise I like are leg lifts, and you can superset those with side leg lifts, right? So then you hit the upper abs, the lower abs, and the obliques, you know, with the side leg raises. Now, if that's too easy for you, you can add a weight between your legs and you can do sets with that, right? That's basically how you train abs to make them thicker. Now, I recommend you switch up your workouts, right? Because you want the best of both worlds, right? You want to build thick and defined abs. So you should alternate workouts. Every other workout, do a body weight workout, and every other workout, you do a weighted ab workout. That's how you do it, right? So you just alternate. Every other workout is different. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace out.